So I know most of you, those of you who are new on this page, will just subscribe. Sorry for the delay, not posting all this while. So now today I'll be taking you on how to convert your manual switch to a smart switch. You understand? So most of you have this kind of switches at home, manual switch that you need to flip up and down. So now on this video I will guide you with this device here. I will help you in converting this into a smart switch and connect it with your phone. Now you can do it perfectly. You understand? And if, after installing a smart home, you can speak to Alexa. However, that cannot be done with just this. So you need to get other electrical appliances in those smart systems. So that is what will help you to ensure when you get into your home, you speak and it turns on. So now this one is only meant for one gang switch. You want to convert your one gang into a smart home. So this is what you need. It's a mini converter, a mini smart switch. So now this is how you convert, how you do it. Come closer. So this is how you do it. If you look here, you will see L out, L in, N in, N out. Then you will see S1, S2. So now this L out goes to the load which is your lighting system. Then the L in is the supply that powers this. It comes directly from the source, which is your mains. Then the N in is a neutral that comes in here to power the system, because this one needs a light, a complete circuit to get it powered. So this one here is not like your normal switch, smart switch. So this one is only used when you still want to use this in your house. You don't want to change it totally. You still want to use this and you still want it to be as smart. So that's when we use this one. Then the N out is a neutral that goes out to your load. Then the S1 and S2, you connect it directly to your switch, the common and the L1. You understand? So that you can still be controlling it manually. So that's just it. So let's get it connected. So now you see here, this is our L out, the L out, which is our branch. It comes in to here. If you look very well, you see L out, then you connect it. Then this other one, this one here is our L in. Okay, let's use this one. This one is our L in, which is the power that comes from the source, the live cable that comes from the source. So it comes in here, L in. Then the L, this N here is our N. We'll connect it as our N in, the neutral that powers this system. You understand? You just put it in our L in. The reason why we are bringing neutral here is to enable us power this system in order for us to make it smart. Without the neutral here, this circuit will not be complete. You understand? So that's just it. So, and the other thing again is, normally I was supposed to connect the neutral of this load. This is our load, the neutral to here, which is our N out. But the reason why I don't want to do it is the cables, in case you are doing it in a switch box, 3x3 knockout box, the cable will be much. So there's no point of you bringing it here again. You can connect your neutral directly up without it coming from here. So this N out will be left out. We will not connect anything. So now you come back to your switch. This is our manual switch, electrical manual switch. You connect the COM, connect the COM, connect the COM, the switch side, connect the COM. Then here you connect to L1. You understand? Connect to L1. These two red wires that comes from the manual switch, they go directly to the S1 and S2. It is show where to the S1 and S2. You connect this one. This one you can connect it anywhere. But if you want it, if you want a situation where you want it like this to be on or off, if down is on, normally if you bring it, if you flip the switch down is on, up is off. So that one will be determined after you must have connected it here. You understand? When you connect this one, you can connect the red, the branch and the supply that comes to the switch anywhere, either S1 or S2. But make sure the wires that goes to the manual switch are connected. The two wires are connected to the S1 and S2 of this mini smart switch. So this is it. So everything is figured out. So this is how the connection is. Now, if I connect it here, now this is our neutral. Let's power it. This is our neutral. It's connected to the source. We connect this one here. The neutral that comes in here, the neutral that is supposed to power this system, because it's this one that is powering the whole system. So the neutral, since the neutral is not connected, it will not on. So now to complete the circuit, we need our neutral to be connected. Listen, if the neutral is connected, you see it will be bringing out light, indicating light. So now if I can switch it off here, I can switch that light off here and on it here as well. Then after doing that, I can press it, or sorry, I can press it here. It has a button anyway. You can still switch it off and on here. You understand?